Hello guys, today I'll be showing you transient structure analysis using Welsim. Just open it on my desktop. So let's check the version. As always, it's 1.4. It's built in November 24th, 2017. The revision number is 1848, which is a good number for me. Okay. Press the OK button. Let's start create a new project. Bring a geometry. Today we'll try this geometry. This is kind of T-shape pipeline. Okay, there's three open faces, left, right, and top. So sometimes this part can be used for pipelines. Okay. Create a new material. This time we use let's say alumni. Okay. Double click and bring in the property and click the OK and press the F2 key. Let's change the name. Then we go to the geometry node and change the material property from the structure steel to the alumni. Okay. Mesh. Okay, pretty fast. Now we have 10 to 10 elements generated. It's about 7,000 nodes here. Okay, then don't forget, since we'll do the transient structure analysis today, so we change the static to the transient in analysis property. When we change the transient, we see another property showing up. It's called time integration, and default value is implicit. So basically, you can change it to explicit, but for this case, it's not a very high-speed simulation, so we use implicit. It's good. Impose a constraint boundary and impose the pressure. Okay. So we added two boundary conditions. We'll constrain the left side and the right side. Okay. And for the pressure, we're going to impose on the top side. Then we get a value called 110 to the 7. Okay, it's kind of big. Then let's see what it looks like if you click this button, this resume button. You can see how this line goes from 0 to 10 to the 7. Okay, and we change the time. This time we set, okay, let's say 60 seconds. So it's basically 1 minute simulation. Now we change the time integral to 2.2. Okay, you can change it to some number as long as it can be converged, so it should be fine. Let's 3.5, so that'll be okay. Okay, I think all this pre-process setting is done. Let's just solve it. If the project not saved yet, so it will be ask you to save some place. Let's say okay, since once it's saved, well, the solver will start. Okay, then you'll see there's a new button just added in the output window. It's called stop in the process. Sometimes if you trigger a very long time simulation, you don't want to wait and you want to restart it and change some properties and restart again. So you just simply click this button. You can stop the solver. Then you can redo your pre-processing and solve it again. It's quite a useful button because sometimes if the mesh is very big and then or project very huge, then it takes very long time to solve. So very useful button. Okay, it's done. Let's add some result object to see the result. Okay, see, we can see this is a straight curve from 0 to 36. Okay, then the last set number is 18. Let's evaluate the 18. Okay. Double click, you can see the stress distribution. Okay, the red part is maximum stress, the blue part is the minimum stress. So you can see the constraint area on the left and right area is very high, and also the connection area on this edge is kind of high, kind of red color here. And what about deformation? Okay, it makes sense. This is change the same number to 18. Okay, yeah, the same color pattern but different values between the step 1 and step 18. So it's quite reasonable for me. See left and right totally constrained in top side pressed down a bit. Okay, so it's very straightforward and simple analysis. We can see the Welsim can handle it very well. Give it a try. If you have any comments, concern, questions, please let us know. Bye.